So you want to dive into crypto? Hold on, gotta verify first. Ever dreamed of checking the 9 to 5 and becoming your own crypto boss? Or maybe you just want to dabble in a few Bitcoin to see what all the fuss is about. Either way, you're going to need a reliable platform to buy, sell, and trade your crypto. And let's face it, Coinbase is a pretty big name that pops up everywhere. But before you go all willy-nilly, there's one crucial step you gotta tackle: verification. Now, this might not sound exciting, but trust me, a smooth verification process can save you a lot of headaches down the line. So, the question is, how long does this whole Coinbase verification thing take? That's exactly what we're here to crack open today. We'll dive into the nitty-gritty of Coinbase verification, how long it usually takes, and some handy tips to get you verified faster. Buckle up, crypto comrades, because verification doesn't have to be a snooze fest. Why verify in the first place? Alright, before we get down to the nitty-gritty of waiting times, let's chat about why verification is even a thing. It might seem like an extra hurdle, but trust me, it's there for a good reason. Coinbase, like any responsible financial platform, needs to make sure you are who you say you are. This helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and keeps the whole crypto ecosystem a little safer. Plus, a verified account unlocks a whole new world of features on Coinbase. You'll be able to move larger amounts of crypto, access a wider range of coins, and even participate in things like staking rewards. Basically, verification is your golden ticket to the full Coinbase experience. The verification breakdown: what to expect. Now, let's get into the heart of the matter, the actual verification process on Coinbase. There are two main stages to this. Identity verification, IDV. This is where you prove you are a real person with a valid government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Coinbase will use fancy tech to snap a picture of your ID and match it with your selfie. Pretty cool, right? Payment method verification. This step confirms that the bank account or debit card you plan to use is actually yours. Coinbase might send tiny deposits to your account that you need to verify the amounts. Sounds straightforward, doesn't it? Well, generally it is. But as with anything tech-related, sometimes things can take a bit longer. The big reveal: how long does it really take? Alright, I know you're itching to know the answer. The good news is, Coinbase verification typically takes anywhere between 10 minutes to 48 hours. That's a pretty wide range, but in most cases, it lands on the faster side. There are a few factors that can influence how long your verification takes. Traffic. If Coinbase is experiencing a surge in new users, it might take a little longer for them to process your information. ID clarity. Make sure your ID photos are clear, well lit, and all the details are visible. Blurry pictures or bad lighting can slow things down. Information match. Double check that all the information you provide on your account matches exactly what's on your ID. Any discrepancies can raise red flags and cause delays. Speed it up. Tips for a faster verification. So, what can you do to get verified on Coinbase ASAP? Here are some hot tips. Do it on a weekday. Weekends and holidays might see a slower processing time. Aim for a weekday morning when things are less hectic. Tech check. Make sure you're using a good internet connection and a device with a decent camera. Light up your ID. Take your ID photos in a well-lit area with a plain background. No shadows or funky angles. Be patient, but not too patient. Give it 48 hours before you start panicking. But if it's been longer and you haven't heard anything, reach out to Coinbase support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.